That's Gerard Rolifson out at Burgessville with the Volvo BM 810 tractor. He's done a pile of work to it. She's running pretty strong. Certainly not the factory engine in this one. It did come with a Volvo engine, but they've removed it. It has a Volvo 9-liter engine that would be found in a road grader. This is an electronic engine. They have removed the electronic computer and fuel injection system. They've got I believe a Bosch fuel pump on the side. They had to make custom mounts to get it mounted up. And they got a fuel injection pump brought over from the Netherlands. And obviously they got themselves one hot tractor. His speed, 20.4 miles an hour as he made his way down the track. That's Gerard Rolifson with a distance 412 feet, .52. He could have went further, but he ran out of track.